Occidental Punta Cana is a fantastic vacation destination where you can have fun and rest at the same time. This resort, located in front of one of the most spectacular beaches in the Dominican Republic, El Cortesito Beach, which turns this hotel into a tropical paradise. Occidental Punta Cana offers a wide variety of cuisine within the all-inclusive program, which includes 11 restaurants, 7 of them a la carte, and 10 bars, located in strategic areas where you can enjoy exquisite tropical drinks and our renowned service. It also offers 3 swimming pools, children's club, tennis courts, day and night activities, water sports such as kayak, bodyboard, introductory scuba diving lessons in the pool, nightly shows with live orchestra and disco. Enjoy a myriad of water sports available under the magical tropical sun, such as windsurfing, water polo, scuba diving, plus other sports activities within the hotel's facilities. The Occidental Punta Cana offers 860 magnificent, fully renovated rooms designed to make every stay a unique and unforgettable experience. They are stylish and have all the modern comforts and conveniences. Occidental Punta Cana is about 25 minutes from Punta Cana International Airport and 2 hours from the city of Santo Domingo. The nights are magical in this part of the Caribbean, especially with our Occidental style shows every evening, which feature live music and a great cast of professionals to ensure you are entertained. The staff in this hotel always helpful and seem to really love their jobs. The food in the Royal Club restaurant is tasty, the all pools clean, and the beach just beautiful. We would wholeheartedly recommend this resort. Bottom line, some good things. Right on busy and beautiful Bavaro Beach in Punta Cana. All-inclusive property with kid-friendly features like a kids club, 3 freshwater pools including an oceanfront zero entry option, free water sports including kayaks, stand-up paddle boards, and hobby cat catamarans, air-conditioned rooms with king or double beds, flat-screen TVs, and balconies, multiple restaurants in all-inclusive packages, including buffet and Mexican options, central location that's walkable to nearby bars, restaurants, and a casino, nightly entertainment and activities every day, spa with garden views for massages and treatments, fitness center with weights and cardio equipment, plus tennis courts. Some bad things: limited hours to make reservations at a la carte restaurants. Buffet menu doesn't change enough, and food can get monotonous. Drinks and food only get mediocre reviews from previous guests. Hard to avoid timeshare salespeople. No umbrellas on the beach or surrounding the pool. Pricey fee for internet access. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like and share.